All right, everyone. I was looking, and I have done this before, but there are some new things that will come here. So let's take it different ones. But I wanna think about, for you to think of what are they making or hoping to have for you. But all of you are for holiday gift guide for Gil Care. Gil Chair. That's what or sorts. But for all of you. So it's for you, all of you. So it's all of you. So uh, I'm going to try to each one of these, as you know, every, every day, every day, comfort, upgrades. So, and we haven't talked to those about those before. So, chair, deet, teet, zeet, zeet, comfort, share, comfort, yell, and emery, foam, or air. So they have different types, so great for long days on, out, increased comfort and better posture. So those can be around, you know. You can use those for at home or when you are, trying to work hard and going out more. And then there's cleese or heated wheelchair, gland, gland fits. So the range fits. So I can't quite imagine, but I will have these stay in place, keep leads warm, and leaf extra cozy. So it feels a little bit better. Clean chair, arm rest, or handle govers. Soft lives and helpful for cold heather out reeds outlings. So don't go there. So this is for every comfort up upright grades. So you want to look at little areas in which people can use those to be, either for just for your house or for when you're on, to take care of someone out there, to enjoy. There's one here, bags, carriers, and accessible add-ons. So let's take this one. Wheelchair, halves, labs, or an organ seat storage. Perfect for phones, router, potas. I'm not saying this very well. everybody. So that's excellent, you know. So those are some ideas that are better than like evict gift gifted the give the gift of time, company, and individual, some, to do spend some stuff with you rather than that are much better. You're trying something special, with something new or something like that. Spend some time with you rather than, and that to me is very good. To go coffee or to spend, go eat for some, or, those kind of things are great, you know. So this is great, to spend time with you rather than making special with you. That you're going to make something to them or to buying something to them, but spending time with them to me is much better than anything than making something, and I'm sure I will get at some point, something that's very special. And I try that I can also spend time with people. But who knows? Who knows? Who will see? So, for the holiday you know, is important to think about the time you want to spend with others, rather than having then somebody made something for you or found something for you. Spend some time with each other. And because that to me is great. And it's so, I saw some of the things, but some of the things were, it's like, don't forget for each other and spend some time with each other. And that to me is really, really, really important. I will make sure there's some ideas that'll go here for you. But otherwise, I'll make these in, but, think about the things you want to spend with each other and not to, not to be lost doing something else. So, so, think of that. That's awesome. Also, awesome. So, and you know that my way is to get around, and my way is really part how to say how I'm trying to say things and learning how to say those things now also. And I'm not going to let myself, with this. And I have some friends are supposed to, or I have a gal supposed to come in today and watch me how to do this. And I have to learn more every day. And so they're going to be doing that to me today for me. So I'm waiting for that. I don't know when they're starting. So, but don't forget that I will make sure that this will be fun. And don't forget for each other and to spend time with each other. And that it'll be better that way. So, all right, take care. And we'll continue to think of those little pieces that will help during the holiday, but we'll see what is best for you each day. So take care, and I will think of those crazy things that I've been trying to say. We'll see it. Bye.